In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Facebook Pixel on Typeform. So, before we begin, I must warn you that for this, it requires a paid plan of Typeform. You can't do it on the free plan, okay? So, just beware of this, and I'll show you which plan you can use and you need later on. Now, to do this, it's very easy. Once you have a new form creating, you have to go up here to the top middle where it says Connect. Just click it. And then where it says search integrations, you want to click it and type in Facebook. And the only thing that pops up is Facebook Pixel, okay? Now, if I hover over this, as you can see, it says your current plan does not include this feature. Upgrade your plan to use it. Now, you can press connect over here, and it will show you that this is available on these plans. So in the Business, Enterprise, Growth Pro, or Growth Custom, okay? So you can click upgrade plan, and it will take you to Typeform checkout where you can upgrade the plan you would like to have. So, as I said, you need at least this one, which is Business, I believe. Yes, as you can see, it says Business. So, if you do this, and then once you have the paid plan, you can simply click Connect over here, and it will ask you to put in your Facebook Pixel ID. So you simply have to copy it from your Meta account, from your Meta Business Manager, where you can get the Pixel. You have to copy it, click Connect, paste it in, and that's it. You've successfully installed a Facebook Pixel on Typeform. So, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.